Mustang TV students from Campbell Middle School recently had the opportunity to take a peek behind the scenes at Fox 4 Studios.
Welcome to the Fox 4 Studios, Campbell Middle School!
On this tour, we had the opportunity to hear from Abby Eaton and other professional journalists about what a day looks like in their job.
So they have all those video sources that you guys can see in the walls to be able to take from. So we kind of just set all of that up. We figure out which video sources we're going to take, which audio we're going to take. And then we go through that, and that's how you see what you get at home.
Students even got the opportunity to ask several questions and hear firsthand what it takes to prepare for a job in broadcast journalism.
What if you mess up?
We mess up all the time. You just make fun of yourself and move on. But since I put all my graphics together and build all of that, I put my forecast together, it makes it really easy.
But it's tough. I was not good at math. I was good at math up until 8th grade, and then I was awful at math.
I heard that, so I'm kind of looking forward to, I don't like severe winter, but I like wearing a coat. Hi, kids!
Hi!
For Mustang TV, this is Mr. Taylor.